Hey y'all, I'm back. I've been MIA for a minute. I just thought to make it up, I give y'all a vlog. So we at the beach. We're at the beach, and so y'all just gonna be with me while we at the beach.
Oh, hey guys, how you doing today?
This is Kyra.
I'm Kyra.
Add her on her social medias.
Yeah.
And that's Alexis.
Yeah.
That's Jadis.
Hi. Add me on Snapchat, guys.
We about to go attempt to catch the ice cream truck. Come on, guys. Y'all, I got a new phone, so that's why my, audio is better. We going to the ice cream truck.
That's why
You should go live.
That's a different ice cream truck.
Can y'all break $100 bill? Okay.
He got 520s for 100.
He can break 100.
Oh, okay.
2, 4, 6, 8. That's $8. Y'all, we just finessed them for $2.
You did?
I know y'all heard that. Because everything was $14. Yours cost $4, but he charged it for $2.
Yeah, he just kind of.
But we
What you got? Warheads. It's good.
it's a Warhead. I got a Jolly Rancher one.
I got strawberry shortcake.
She got a cone.
Those are brown.
Back to y'all when we doing something interesting, because we ain't doing nothing right now. So we finished our ice cream, and this is my friend Mariana.
Same color.
We're sitting here taking pictures and stuff. Yeah.
Oh my god, when I was walking over here, it smelled like bacon and hot dogs.
We're not doing nothing. Ain't nobody really out here, y'all. It normally be like packed, and it's not. We're about to go do something so spontaneous. We're about to go ask his boy for his Snapchat for our friends, because they want it, because they think he's really cute, but then they, at the same time, they think he's young. So there's that.
That's what I'm saying.
That'll be embarrassing, but she's gonna ask, like, my friend, what's your Snapchat? Do you have one?
Or be like, my friend was wondering if you had Snapchat. If so, can I have it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So you coming over here, don't even know who it is?
No, I know what he looked like. He got like long hair, but like the dress, like.
She being scary. Don't go up to him while he in the tent, though. That's kind of weird. He not that
He
cute.
ain't coming out.
On some soccer stuff.
Gotta wait until he come out.
We're trying to get this boy Snapchat for our friends, but she too scared to go over there. And
In the tent?
And he in the tent, so.
And his parents in there? Or whoever?
Yes. Y'all. Figure out what we gonna say.
I'm gonna say, do you have a Snapchat?
Well, not with this on your eye.
Be like,
Oh, he coming. Come on.
I'll go with you.
Be like,
Yeah, this the old mayor.
he in the tent.
No, he right there sitting outside the tent. Go.
Oh.
Y'all, they about to go ask the dude. Come on, we need to get closer. Zoom in. They're debating. It's scary. Look.
Everybody's listening.
Don't nobody care.
This is like,
Just call him over here and not say it.
I don't know his name.
One of us is the friend, and the friends are over there.
We don't know that.
What did you say? Excuse me. What's his name? And you?
Did he look at you? No. Stop. Just stop. Wait a minute. We need to think this through.
No, listen. This is what you're gonna say. You're gonna
Snitching on us. Look, they snitching on us. They snitching on us. Right there. Abort mission.
That's scary.
Oh my God.
Still walking.
He heard you. We gotta go.
It's not okay. He ran.
Look, he going. He running.
All right, we
He gone. He left. You ran him off.
Too loud.
Exactly.
Y'all, we up here on this big hill. Y'all can see the view.
I told you we could have went and put our feet in the water right there. But y'all acting like y'all ain't want to.
Girl, we is black.
And I'm.
It's not safe to be in the water, so.
Oh, we should run really fast. We're kind of strong.
They're trying to get me killed. So it is currently the next morning from when we went to the beach. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little vlog that I made or whatever. I'm gonna get back on the YouTube thing or whatever. I just made another video, but I just hope y'all enjoyed that little vlog thingy or whatever. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. It'll be down in the link description below. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.